Yams and sweet potatoes can be grown typically here in the Southeast. We plant those from something called a slip in early June. Late May, early June, even maybe mid-June. But that's about the time frame that you want to be planting your sweet potatoes or your yams. And those grow from slips. So that's what you plant in order to get the sweet potato and yam plants to grow. And a slip is basically a green leafy sprout that comes off of a tuber that has been soaking in water. So some people will try to start their own slips at home by suspending a sweet potato. You can use store-bought sweet potatoes or you can get these sweet potato slips. But if you're doing it at home, you suspend it in water and then it starts to grow these little sprouts. And then you can remove those sprouts. And once they have rooted, you can plant them either directly in the ground, you can grow them on raised beds, even really, really big pots. Another important thing, anytime you're growing root vegetables or plants that you're eating the root system of, is you want to make sure that your soil has a lot of rock phosphate or a lot of phosphorus in it. So phosphorus is one of the macronutrients that all of our plants need, but it's really important for telling the plant to create strong root systems. So it's important that our plants are supported with plenty of phosphorus if we're eating the roots of those.